Hello guys, this is Sudheer. Now I am going to learn how to install Krita in your computer and laptop. So first you have to go to the any browser. Okay, here you can here you have to type the Krita download. Okay, simply you have to write the Krita and download. Okay, when you click on it, okay, the first website will be appear. You can see krita.org. Okay, when you click on it, on the download section, the download portal will be open. Okay, so you can see this section is the download option. When you click on it, it will be downloaded. So you have to click on this window because this my in this laptop window operating system is running, so I will click on it. Okay, Windows installer. Okay, when I click on it, the software will be started download. Look here, it is started download, but I have already downloaded in this software in my computer. So I click on setup. I click on this software. Okay, so it take time. Okay, this then it asks the permission, then you click on yes button. Okay, then it take time for loading and setup. Okay, so you have to wait for 1 minute. Okay, up up packaging data, it all the data is started loading, loading in your computer, so wait for some times. After that, you have to select the language. Okay, there are a lots of language. Okay, you have to select the English language, then you click on OK button. Okay, and then it asks you to click on next button to continue. Okay, so I will click on next button, and here you have to tick I accept the term of the license agreement. So I tick it, and then I click on next button. Okay, so here you have to select the location where you want to store these types of software. But is this software space required 526 MB, but in my computer space available 56 GB. So it is enough space for this software. So I click on next button. Okay, then you have to click on tick the cell integration, and then you have to click on the next button. Okay, and then you have to click the I agree button, and you have this software will be started downloaded in your install in your computer with name of Krita. Okay, so then I click on install button. Okay, it will be started installing in your computer, so wait for sometimes, it will be installed in your computer. This process you have to follow to install Krita in your computer. It is free of cost. Okay, you have not to pay any amount for it to install if you want to install this software in your computer. So then you click on the next button, and after that you can see the finish button. When you click on finish button, it will be installed. Okay, it has been installed in your computer. Look, this is the icon of Krita. When you click on it, it will be open. It takes some times to start. Look, this is the icon. Okay, this is the icon of Krita. Okay, and its version is 5.2. Okay, so you can see the step how to install Krita in your computer. So you follow this step, and then you install Krita application in your computer. So okay,